Well, eNCA's Athi Mtongana has been following developments in this case and joins us now live from our Cape Town studio. Hi there, Athi. So the judge insists that he's removing himself not because there is a conflict of interest, but he wants to avoid any possible questions being raised about his involvement in the matter. Talk us through the rest of what he said.
Well, let me start by saying that not so long ago, reports emerged that Judge Mandela Makaula might have financial and business interests in a guest house that is used to accommodate some of the state witnesses in this trial. So when he arrived in court this morning, he jumped straight to setting the record straight as to who actually owns this guest house that accommodates some of the state witnesses. And he did place it on record that his wife has business ventures in a guest house that might have also caused, people to suggest that he is also, a business owner in. And he said on record that he has no financial interest in the businesses that his wife owns. But because of this and because of the fact that his wife does own a business which is a guest house, he said that this might give rise to apprehension of biasness, and then it might also result in an application for his recusal. So he said he feels best that he removes himself from the trial so that a new judge might then take over. Then you also had today Judge President of the Eastern Cape, Mbenenge, coming in to pave the way forward with regards to what's going to happen forward in this trial. He then heard from both parties, the state and the defense, Peter Dauberman, and they put a date forward for the recommencing of this trial, which will then be heard on the 30th of July. And Judge Mbenenge also said that if the parties do have any applications, then they should bring them forward before this new trial date. Now, if you remember, Peter Dauberman, representing Timothy Omotoso, as well as the two co-accused before, had attempted through the highest court in the land, which is the Supreme Court of Appeal, tried to get Judge Mandela Makaula recused and removed from this case, and also they attempted to have the charges quashed. So his bid failed then. However, now, out of Judge Mandela Makaula's own personal capacity, decided to remove himself from this case.
Okay, so beyond the obvious delay, what else does this recusal mean for Timothy Omotoso's trial going forward?
Well, now it means that the trial will have to start all over again with a new judge. And I must say that a new judge has not, the name of a new judge has not been put forward yet. We do not know yet who will be presiding over this matter when it sits again on the 30th of July. But now it means the trial will have to start all over again, meaning that the state witnesses will also come up again and give their testimonies all over again. State witnesses that might be well known to the public. Cheryl Zondi, who testified in this trial, will have to also give her testimony all over again.
All right, eNCA reporter Athi Mtongana speaking to us live out of Cape Town this lunchtime.